like, nah, listen, lady. It's all about New Orleans. You don't know. It's like this.
What's really happening?
Hop in the car, you know what I'm saying? And you know us ladies, we like to run shit. So first thing my mother do, reach for the radio like, yo, I gotta play my shit. You ready?
Y'all know the word, come on!
Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up? Shut up.
Right, so she never is like, shut up, nigga, shut up. I got this, right? Then my dad would be like, yo, you know better than to touch my radio, so you already know when we hop in the car, it's all about this.
Got money, got the fast hand, trash hand. I'm a piece of nigga, you can't pull a tree hand. I'm ready to fuck with the hand. I'm a good jam, I'm a good jam. I'm a good jam, I'm a good jam. I'm a hard jam, I'm a hard jam.
Right? So, it would be a little bit of that, back and forth, all the way to school, wherever the fuck we was going, you know what I'm saying? This is awesome, right? And in the meantime, y'all going at it, I'm getting exposed to all this crazy shit, right? So, but still, it wasn't enough. They were still going at it, you know what I'm saying? My moms would finally be like, you know what? Last call for alcohol. This is what the joint is gonna be. Got the Boricua covered. But then my daddy brings that soul, you feel me? That soul that we can all relate to. We go a little something like this. Alright, y'all ready? I want y'all to say it at the top of your lungs, alright? Oh, baby, let's make love.
Y'all know the word, get ready.
What they want?
Sexual healing. Sexual healing. Oh,
Thank you guys. I'm glad you enjoyed that. So that's just a little peek into my world, you feel me? Musical household, piece of good music, Shout out to good music and shout out to my beautiful parents.
Give it up for Nitty Scott MC's family for raising her on such good motherfucking music. It's just the way she was raised.
Just the way I was raised, y'all. But fuck all that, fuck all that. I want to get to the new shit.
Whoa. Florida, you ready for some new Nitty Scott MC?
I think we should abandon the script real quick because they've been a great crowd, you feel me? And they're making me feel really loved in my hometown. So I have the Boombox Diaries Volume 1 EP dropping this fall.
August 28th. August 28th. The official street date is August 28th.
The cat's out the bag, y'all.
You the first people to know. Make some fucking noise. You guys are the first people to know about the street date of the Boombox motherfucking Diaries. If any of y'all filming that, y'all got the exclusive right here in Florida tonight. Nitty Scott MC, Lake Worth, Florida. Make some fucking noise.
Boombox Diaries Volume 1. So, I haven't released anything from there yet. So nobody quite knows what's on the Boombox Diaries just yet. But y'all will leave here tonight knowing a little something.